101.2 FM esho kamnandi-ke ethi-ke Sony esinenhliziyo kona-ke umsakazi Intokozo 101.2 FM. What a blessing to have him kona-ke umsakazi Intokozo 101.2 FM. Moving forward lapha kwi-Leaders in Germination naye-ke ubaba-ke uSikhumbuzo wakwaShezo sinikeza nje 5 minutes motivation ekuseni kona-ke umsakazi Intokozo 101.2 FM. But Sikhumbuzo asikubingelele sikwamukele kumsakazo Intokozo 101.2 FM.
Mr. Nomafu sir, thank you so much. Nami ngiyabonga kakhulu kuwena nakubalaleli nakubona bonke abantu nabazalwane nakubaholi who are listening. What a privilege for me mfethu.
Yes, yeah. Thank you so much. And God plans ngendlela yakhe while we also planning. But again, kumhla ka 12 January 2025 isikhathi is really against us, but like ngifuna nje ukhulume nomuntu omusha unyaka uqala. There is something angifuna ukukulimita, but bengifuna nje sike sibheke in setting ama strong principles for impilo yakho as an individual. Sithi nje ukuxila kakhulu lapho on how to set ama principles are strong for yourself as a person.
Yes. Ngiyibonge kakhulu mfethu Lendelani for this opportunity esengiyitholile in this time for this generation. Yonke into esiyenzayo siyenzela lesizukulwane sethu. Ngibingelela kakhulu ubuholi again nabazalwane nabo bonke abangilaleleyo nabo bonke abangisupportayo and everybody. Nakumuntu ngena manje ekseni usazophinda abuye ntambama for uhlelo olufanelekile. Now when talking about ama principles mfethu uLendelani, I am reminded about uNehemiah. uNehemiah wayengazalelwanga eJerusalem. uNehemiah wayengalazi iJerusalem, wayesezweni lokuthunjwa. Mekulelizwe uNehemiah usena wonke ama resources, usefundile, usequalified, usenazo izinto ayidingayo to make a change. Then bese kufika umbiko kuNehemiah ukuthi there is chaos and destruction kubo ezweni lakubo la azalelwa khona. Now omunye umuntu angabuza ukuthi where is this relevant? Ku relevant kanjani kumina ngithi angina ama resources? Ku relevant kanjani kumina engithi I'm a parent ngihlele ekhaya? Well, ku relevant kanje ekutheni we are still raising ingane, we are still raising young people esibase esikoleni. I-anchor yalento engizoyisho namhlanje ukuthi lama principles azoba ngama resources, and lama resources ayadingakala vele kwi-society.
Yes.
I-society esiphila kuyona njengamanje idinga ama resources, and now as an individual uyakwazi ukuthi ube i-resource. Kuthiwa uNehemiah wathi mezwa zonke lezi zinto ishiwo ezwa lesi simemezelo, waqala waba umuntu oluza ngisho i-professionalism before inkosi, because he was a professional. Because akakwazi uNehemiah bazalwane ukuhlala ezweni elingesilela kubo, wells-ela kubo kubheda izinto. Akakwazi ukuthula, athule abuke izinto zonakala, ebe nayo indlela yokwenza ukuthi ayiresolve. Esikhathini esiphila kusona manje sinabazalwane abafundiswe ngomkhuleko, abafundiswe ngokuthandaza nangamandla omthandazo, kodwa uhleli nalezinto einamandla phakathi ekhaya kubhubha abantu. Uhlele emlazi nama resources kungcono kaNehemiah ngoba yena wayengekho. But sinabantu namhlanje into ebesizoyimemezela kakhulu ukuthi lama principles ofundiswe wona, lo mkhuleko ofundiswe ngawo, lezi zinto einamandla, start applying them khona la ukhona. Start applying them ekhaya. Nangu uNehemiah wasuka kude wazolungisa, wazovuselela ingange. Kuthiwa ingange ishisiwe zidiliziwe. Yini ingange? Imikhuleko, umkhuleko awusekho. Isitha sikwazi ungena senze noma kanjani. Ingane zethu zidla ama drugs, ingane abafowethu babhema ama drugs, abafowethu balahlekelwa yiphupho nethemba. But